Jet's reputation is built one tool at a time. Their rugged range of machinery powers your workday and workforce. Committed to quality, Jet's full 2-year warranty leads the industry, and their safety features are a caliber unmatched by others. Jet Tools puts the power in your hands. Jet's rugged 1-horsepower 8-inch variable speed grinder and 8-inch variable speed buffer are staples for any shop. They're engineered to take all the punishment any hard-working shop can dish out. When you're dealing with tools as powerful as Jet's grinder and buffer, safety comes first. That's why their unique rapid motor brake stops the wheels from 3,600 RPMs to 0 in less than 20 seconds. Designed with a digital readout that allows operators to monitor the wide range of RPMs, ensures proper speed is being used. The modern Dustport is another innovative safety feature that propels sparks and debris away from the operator. Both safety and power elements make these tools a must-have in the shop. Following strict guidelines and electrical requirements, both the 8-inch variable speed grinder and buffer are CSA US certified. Visit jettools.com to see more information and find a dealer near you.